having a morning chill, Mr. James? Hey? Are you having a morning chill? Yes? Oh. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? What? Close up, close up. You look nice and refreshed. Bye-bye. What are you doing, Mr. James? What are you doing? Are you upside down? What are you doing upside down? What are you doing in there? Hey? What are you doing? I can see you. What are you doing in there, you little monkey? Are you being a monkey? Hey? We can't see you now. Oh, look at them teeth. Did you see them teeth then? Hey? What are you doing in there? Moving furniture? Hey? Yes? Are you drunk? Have you been on the pop? Have you got pop in there? Hey? Where have you gone now? What are you doing, Mr. James? Yes, I've got the camera. I've caught you. I've got you on camera. Yes. What are you doing to the box? What are you doing in the cupboard? What are you doing in the cupboard, Mr. James? What are you doing in the cupboard? Hey? What are you doing in the cupboard? You look so cute and fluffy. I love you. Morning, Mr. James. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you look so beautiful. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Morning. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Ow, what are you doing? Ow, 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 ow. You grab me hand. Oh, I love you too. I love you too. Yeah, I love you too. What's he doing in the cupboard? Hey? What are you doing in the cupboard? What are you doing in the cupboard? Yes, you. What are you doing in the cupboard? Hey! He's attacking the camera. Get out the cupboard. Get out the cupboard. What are you doing in the cupboard? Are you a biscuit?